Let me show you how you can easily lock or cancel an old Cash App card that you no longer want or need. If you have an old card that you're not using anymore, then you have a couple of options to either lock or cancel it. To get started, first find and open Cash App. Once you're on the home screen, tap the card icon, which is the second option from the bottom menu bar. Inside of here, you'll find your current Cash App card if you've ever opened up one in the past. Now the first option that we have here is to lock the card. If you're not using the card very often, but maybe you want to use it in the future, then locking it makes sure that your card is safe and can't be used, but you can always unlock it later to use it. To do this, just scroll down a little bit until you see lock card here in the center. Tap the slider on the right to then lock the card, making it unusable until you unlock it. If though you still want to cancel the card altogether, we'll need to do it through support. Scroll down and then find and choose Get Card Support. If the card was lost, damaged, or stolen, you can request a new one here, but since we want to cancel it, go ahead and hit Go to Support. Next, scroll down to the bottom of this page and then tap the last option, which is Chat. On the next screen at the bottom, tap Not About a Transaction. This will then take you to the Support Chat page. Once you're here, send a message to support that you would like to cancel your Cash App card. Follow any instructions and answer any questions that chat has, and after that, they'll go ahead and take care of canceling the card. And that's how you lock or cancel your Cash App card. Thanks for watching.